Hello, I'm Nico, CEO of AvalasiA. We are presenting today our new T120 thermal scanning camera. This camera is specially equipped to scan the body temperature of people passing by. This is a very small handheld gun grip camera and very easy to use. It starts up in a very short time frame. You push the button, it starts up and you're ready to scan. And then you push the lever to do the scanning of the persons.
What's in the box? A cable, a guide, an adapter, and last but not least, the camera. Easy to mount on a tripod. It has a resolution of 120x90. With its infrared scanning technique, it can measure temperatures who are accurate to 0.5 degrees Celsius. An alarm pops up when someone exceeds the normal temperature. The battery lasts 8 hours. With a normal thermometer, you're not applying the social distance. With this device, you do. It is easy to scan people passing by at a distance of 2 meters.